Meet Lisa, a 17-year-old aspiring tennis player. She's loved the game ever since she was young, spending hours practicing her serve and ground strokes. Coaches and teammates always remarked on her athleticism and potential, but Lisa has struggled mightily in competition. Despite her natural skills, she simply hasn't been able to win matches. When we see B-roll clips of Lisa double faulting, missing routine shots, and getting emotionally defeated after errors, it becomes clear why her record stands at an abysmal 0-12 over the past year. Lisa walks off court, dejected after yet another loss, her confidence clearly shaken. "I just don't know if I'm cut out for competitive tennis," she says, holding back tears. But Lisa's passion for tennis still burns deep. There must be a way for her to start translating her talent into wins, instead of just heartbreaking defeats. Eager to secure her first-ever victory, Lisa developed an ultra-aggressive go-for-the-lines playing style. She ripped big serves and aimed to blast winners with her forehand, hoping to overpower opponents as quickly as possible. Initially, this power game earned Lisa some success. We see clips of aces and winning cross-court zingers flash by. Opponents struggled with the raw pace and accuracy of her shots. But over time, the reckless approach backfired. Going for huge winners on every shot led to boatloads of errors. We cringe as balls fly long or wide. Confidence fragile, Lisa frequently double faulted when serving out key games. Opponents soon learned to simply keep balls in play until Lisa essentially defeated herself. Down another break against a rival school's num-3 player, Lisa screams in agony as she smacks yet another forehand approach shot into the bottom of the net. She snaps her racket violently across her knees in sheer frustration over failing to put her game together when it counts the most. After her latest disheartening loss, Lisa sits alone on a practice court, questions swirling whether she should give up tennis altogether. She aimlessly hits balls. The rhythmic thumping almost echoes the pounding in her head. Just then, a smiling woman walks on the adjacent court and introduces herself as Joan, a recently retired tennis pro. Noticing Lisa's tears, she kindly offers words of encouragement. Joan sees glimpses of talent in Lisa's smooth strokes. "You have beautiful technique, such potential. With a few mentality shifts, you'll be winning in no time," Joan exclaims. Lisa lights up. Someone who believes in her. Joan promises to mentor Lisa, convincing her not to quit. Lisa vows to reinvent her game, absorbing every ounce of wisdom from her new guiding light. Joan stresses that rather than chasing quick points, Lisa should focus less on winning and more on consistency, target zones, and point construction. We see clips of Joan guiding Lisa through drill after drill, directing her to aim cross-court, set up approaches, and strike a more measured pace. Joan claps loudly with each perfectly placed shot. Gradually, the game slows down for Lisa. She enters immersive flow states on court, her emerging patience and resilience shining through. Even when missing, unforced errors decline dramatically. First, serves start clicking. Lisa grins as she rips a down-the-line backhand winner, fist-pumping with controlled excitement rather than angst. The new winning mindset taking hold, Lisa's underlying talent surfaces, her potential being unlocked through Joan's mentoring. Facing match point Against her biggest rival, Stacy, Lisa follows Joan's advice to stay composed. We flash back to Joan saying, "Big points come down to courage and commitment to your shots. Don't hesitate." Lisa confidently serves out wide, earning a weak reply. With Joan's voice echoing, "Take control," Lisa aggressively steps in and crushes an inside-out forehand into the open court for a clean winner. Lisa lets out a cathartic scream, dropping to her knees as her teammates mob her. The breakthrough win was achieved after years of heartbreak. We slow-motion replay the championship point, the defining moment. Lisa proves she is a winner, after all. Lisa's epic first victory is just the beginning as she goes on tear, riding a new 5-match win streak under Joan's guidance. Montage time. We see quick cuts of Lisa dominating with her serve, nailing swinging volleys, and chasing down balls like a pro. Fist pump after fist pump as Lisa closes out opponents with ruthless efficiency. Joan's infectious confidence in Lisa has worked wonders. No more dwelling on mistakes. Lisa moves forward with grace. The trust in her game pays dividends with smarter shot selection and improved consistency. Lisa has found her winning identity. No longer the emotional head case. She composes herself exactly when it matters most, breaking serves and holding leads with an air of assuredness that impresses even veteran observers. Lisa beams as teammates hoist her up after clinching the conference title. What an epic turnaround! With a new championship trophy in hand and qualification to the state tournament, Lisa joyfully expresses heartfelt gratitude towards Joan for transforming her game. "You saw potential in me when no one else did, not even myself," Lisa says. "I would have quit tennis if not for your guidance, belief, and the lessons you taught me." Joan reminds a teary-eyed Lisa that she always had the inner talent. She just needed help, channeling it constructively through optimal techniques and mental perspectives revealed only through experience. Inspired to pay it forward, Lisa requested Joan's blessing to start a free community outreach program for young players who similarly lack access to quality coaching. Just as Joan selflessly gave her time and wisdom to Lisa, without expecting anything in return, Lisa wants guidance from role models, like Joan, to be accessible for kids from all walks of life. The torch passes to a new generation. When we fade out, we leave on a poignant note. Lisa transformed from a dejected loser into a confident champion within a matter of months, providing hope to all viewers about overcoming challenges in their own lives. With her winning record and new outlook, accompanied by paying forward the pivotal mentoring she received, Lisa's story comes full circle. We end by directly addressing the audience. Lisa's dramatic turnaround shows that anyone with passion and dedication can achieve greatness, especially with the right support system and growth mindset in place. If you're facing setbacks currently, take inspiration from Lisa's triumph. Please leave a comment sharing your key takeaways from Lisa's inspirational journey from 0% wins to winning it all. What spoke to you most, and how might Lisa's story help you overcome obstacles in your own life? We look forward to building a supportive community through your insights and experiences.